This is the Sony Handycam, model number DCR-TRV17, a standout mini-DV camcorder that delivered impressive digital video performance when it debuted in the early 2000s. It's built around a 1/4 inch or 680,000 pixel CCD sensor, paired with a high-quality Carl Zeiss lens, which gives the camera clear, accurate images. Users get a 10-time optical zoom for everyday shooting, with a digital zoom extending all the way to 120 times when that extra reach is needed. A 3.5-inch color LCD screen flips out on the side, offering an easy way to monitor shots or review footage. It also includes a Firewire or iLink digital video in and output, making high-quality video transfers straightforward for editing on a computer. Lastly, the TRV17 offers super night shot for recording in extremely low light situations, as well as super steady shot to help reduce handheld shake when recording. So, let's head out, get some footage, and see what it looks like.